Hi guys, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cooking Chile. I'm so excited to be on here, and today I'm going to be making a fabulous delicacy known as coconut rice with coconut marinated chicken. So if you're interested in this recipe, please do well to like, subscribe, and keep watching because we are about to get into it. So let's start up with our ingredients. So first of all, we're going to be using full chicken. These are different chicken parts right here. A second ingredient is our rice. I actually cooked this for my family and I thought to record my process. I'm using prawns, smoked fish, and dried catfish. I'm also going to use my pepper mix. There's no tomatoes, just pepper, shombo, tatache, and normal peppers, and then my ginger mix and my coconut. I'm going to be using green peppers, spring onions, and my diced carrots and my Maggi. So let's get to the process. So first of all, I'm going to fry my washed rice. I didn't parboil this, I just washed it with hot water and then I started to fry it under low heat with coconut oil. Guys, this is really great. You just need to fry with coconut oil. Fry that until it turns brown. So the moment it turns brown, then you know that your rice is ready. So I did it for about, I think it was like 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes. I kept doing this until I noticed that my rice started to turn brown, and then I decided to stop. So next we're just going to put like 2 cubes of Maggi to this that we're doing, just to give you some color and some taste. This is going to sink into the rice, guys. So you keep doing this until I told you your rice gets brown. Once it's brown, you know that you are totally done. Guys, our next step is to marinate our chicken. I use the ginger mix, some pepper mix, and my spices. The ginger mix is made up of ginger, garlic, onions, a little bit of crayfish. So after marinating, we're just going to fry some onions and fry our chicken, guys. We're going to fry it till it's a bit dried. And why I put the onions inside is to just give the oil like a good taste. So after this, we're going to get to our next step, which is the main thing. So we're just going to fry our the ginger mix, like I said, ginger, garlic, onions, pepper, and then we're going to fry some of the vegetables. I used green pepper, I used spring onions and carrots, and then we're going to just put a little bit of our prawns and our smoked fish and our dry fish. We're going to just fry this until our ancestors tell us to stop. And then we're going to put in our pepper mix, guys. So we're going to fry this deeply under low heat. This is to make sure that our coconut rice doesn't taste like raw peppers. Do you understand? So you have to fry till you're satisfied. Put in your spices. For the spices, I used ginger powder, garlic powder, I used curry, I used thyme, I used salt, and I used my Maggi, my Knorr cubes, right? So after doing this, you're going to get to the next process, which is to leave it under low heat to steam up itself. Right, so after doing this, we're going to then pour in our rice, guys. This is so easy. You can see I didn't pour in any water. I had to put in my rice and I give it a very good stir. Very good stir, and then I added my chicken broth. After adding my chicken broth, I give it a good stir, and then the next is for you to add your coconut milk. See, my rice is almost done. After that, give a good stir, add in a little more of the chicken broth, give it a good stir, and then put in more coconut milk like I did. If you want your rice to taste all milky, I added a bit of salt, guys, just give it that solid taste. And then I added my a little bit of my pepper mix water, and then I added my soy sauce, and the soy sauce actually just helps me with my taste as well. And then I added my prawn, and in like 5 minutes my rice was done. So I just put in my remaining vegetables, and voila, my coconut rice was ready, guys. This tasted so good. Like, it tasted so good. While I was shooting this, I felt like just eating, but everybody was asleep, so I planned to just give it to my family for breakfast. So I just kept on stealing like 1 fork, 2 forks, 3 forks until I had like good amount before I slept. As you can see, I put in my fried chicken, give it also a good stir to also, you know, have the taste of the rice and all of that. So right, this is my finished product. I just used it with a little bit of vegetable sauce and I enjoyed this meal. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow, like, and subscribe. God bless you.